starting with the Boomkats pole split challenge. The first one today is the funny grip invert, which is this. So, it's called funny grip because your inside hand is in the funny grip position. It's not like the normal invert, it's from the inside. First of all, your entire forearm needs to be on the pole. Your hand can be in this position, or this position. It doesn't matter for inverting. I like this one the most. Once you invert, it's a little bit of a tilt to the side, you see? And then your outside leg, you put on the heel. You extend all the way, and split. Have fun! Hi guys, so today we're continuing with the Boomkats Split Challenge. Be sure to see the first one because this one is related. Today we are doing the Pterodactyl Split. Okay, so same as the last one, we're going into a funny grip invert, okay? The difference is this time we're hooking into a Gemini. Do that first. From here, you let go of your outside hand, this one, and you go inside. You grab your leg like this and extend. Ta-da! There is two variations. The first one is the usual one that you always see, and it's a back bend. You need very good lower back to be able to stretch into a full split. I suck at those, so there's a different variation, the one that I saw from Natasa Belic, and it's this one that you do to the side. Basically, both of them are done in the same way. So let's start, right? You go into a side climb. Your outside hand goes above your head in a cup grip position. Your inside hand goes in front, around, on your elbow, and then on your thigh, okay? For now, you just push and spin. If this is easy, take off your hand, hold the leg, and now extend this one. Ta-da! The most important thing for the machine gun is the correct placement of your upper leg. We will start from the floor. When you lift it up, you see how your knee is facing upwards. We do not want this. Hold it, rotate all the way around. You see how my hips are now facing that way. This is the only way you can do a machine gun. This leg is now parallel to the floor. Other hand goes underneath, you put your hand on the pole, and you just lift up. Princess grip split. it's called princess grip because it's from a princess grip shoulder mount, right? You need to put one hand in this position, all the way up to the other side. Your other hand is like the usual shoulder mount into a cup. You go up. Once you go up, the same leg, like the extended hand, goes onto your foot. You let go of the cup. You hold your leg. You rotate all the way around. Start from a Gemini. Notice how your body is on one side of the pole. This is not what we need. You put your free leg in the front, and then with both hands you grab above your head and you change your side, okay? You can slide down a little bit while doing that. Now my outside hand, which was my inside one, goes next to my head. Now your other hand grabs on your ankle entirely, firmly, and you extend, pushing in to your hip. And then you let go of the leg and choke your Jade. So, after all, this split is an advanced one. I need some time to get out. We go from Gemini. If you have a bad back like I do, you go up and then your outside hand goes down into your elbow all the way. Now your free hand grabs your foot, you extend, you push into the pole, hook off, and there you go. Jallegra. Tabletop split. Usually when you see something done fast and direct, it's hard, okay? So what we need first is to be able to do a tabletop, the normal tabletop, from here and not from the usual scorpion stuff, okay? So you stand next to the pole. Your inside hand is like for an invert. Your outside hand with your thumb up goes behind your back and a little bit low. First thing you need is to be able to hook with your inside leg into a tabletop, like this, okay? Once you're able to do that, the tabletop split is basically the same thing. It's just your leg is not in a passe, but it goes, okay? It's extended. You are here, and you extend that leg, okay? Now the entire thing. You extend and split. Have fun. We're doing the elbow split. Which is this one? Okay, so this is kind of a difficult and awesome entry, and I'm going to explain from the very beginning. First, you need to do a genie, okay? You need height because, as you saw, you're going to drop down. So I recommend you climb once. So I go into a genie from my invert, and now the same hand as my lower leg goes Once you feel comfortable, you can let go or even do it step by step. Vertical Jade. So, we obviously start from the side. You need to be able to hold with one hand and do a vertical pike. Your free hand goes around your inside leg like this. You grab the pole, okay? Now, if you don't have an oversplit, you can just lower down. It's nice, but if you can, you put behind, slide down